So thankfully,
He's in 9th grade, he's 16.
the very next box that I looked in had the alarm clock in it, or else I would have been going through a whole corner stack full of stuff.
Brock.
I'm a professional.
Yeah, so am I. I'm definitely
It's like one key.
I'm a professional.
He can do.
Real professional.
Shut up.
You can hold a lid and rest your feet on an exercise ball at the same time.
I was talking about this. I said I'm a professional.
And my shoe. These are some size 18 shoes that I ordered for $10. I was like,
I want to show you. I want to show you. It's all ready for you, folks. She is all ready.
it actually has a butt crack.
Michael, come here.
It's all ready.
That says games, but
Yes!
look inside.
Oh!
Plaques from my grandpa on my mom's side. He was a Schwann salesman.
It's all ready for you.
Come on, Michael.
Yeah, I need the shoes because
Over here and here.
all the sneakers
Come on, it's ready.
where I live the traction are wearing out.
Oh, come on, Michael.
Today, I decided to wear my steel-toed boots for like the first time in like half a
Back
year.
to memories.
I brought him to the
Ready for you too.
veterans home
I'm wearing a cup. That is a big cup.
in case I got healthy
I
right
got
away
my car.
and was able to find a
I'm so professional.
factory job again.
I'm a professional.
Here's my
car
Lamborghini.
I'm a professional girl humper.
I remember asked for a car last Christmas and my mom got me that.
Professional girl humper.
Nice sense of humor.
Okay, I'm a professional. Yeah, I'm a professional female destroyer.
Here's these.
It's because I do too hard and they all.
When I went to Smith Elementary School back in Cortland, New York, my friend's dad had these like round
You wanna
pieces of
play
plastic.
blocks? Here, boy, you want to play blocks?
My friend told me to like draw stuff on them with a magic marker.
Go hump yourself.
So I drew
Go yourself.
I traced the Batman symbol.
One.
Alright, these guys are crazy.
Look.
I traced some Ninja Turtles, and one of the Ninja Turtles came up
Yeah, you
missing.
think I don't? Mine just a weenie. Mine's 6 inches.
You guys are talking pretty dirty for your age.
Shut up! I do it all the time.
I got it,
do it.
I
Dude,
got
my old girlfriend's in 5th grade. She said that she'll do. She's told every day that she's dated, she'll do them since 7th grade. She's told everybody she's dated.
That's Lauren.
He's a whore. He's a whole whore.
Just let her know that whatever guy she messes around with will go to jail because there is a age law, and the guy's always the one that gets in
Dude,
trouble.
everybody does it in like 7th grade during prom. That's when most people lose it. Okay?
Actually, most people lose it when they're allowed to stay at each other's houses by themselves, and their parents are home.
My mom lets me go to her house and she's 16. She's the one that asked me if I was a virgin.
Alright, I'm gonna dig through some more of my stuff.
Hey, turn it off real quick.
Hey, I got 2 toes now.
Turn
I have a
off.
secret, turn it off.
Jeremiah's got a secret.
Turn